This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix Bluetooth grayed out issue on iPhone after last update. So if your Bluetooth not working on your iPhone, just follow these simple fixes to solve this issue. The first solution is update your iPhone. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. If you see any update available, then update your iOS and check the issue. And the second solution is reset Bluetooth settings. Go to General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset all settings. Once done, hope this solution will fix your Bluetooth not working issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.